Hey family, what's going on this evening? Sister girl got her. Y'all see my Gyro? It comes from PJ's in Maryville. They got the best French fries. I had to take for some Gyro today. So what's going on, family? I had White Castles this morning. Earlier. And I've been having gas all day. And somebody is talking about my hands being down here. I always sit with my hands because I'm sitting on the floor. So I have to balance myself sitting here on this floor. Wait a minute. Let me see. Did y'all hear that? Ooh. Ha! Told you that White Castles. My stomach is rumbling. It's rumbling. It's going. And I got some Pepsi. Woo! Some healthy burps there too. I told y'all I've been playing. And I had to stop. That gives you a lot of fries. I've been having a taste for a Gyro. Look at here, y'all. Boy, I tell y'all, this is the ticket. I even got something that's gonna make y'all laugh today. Wait till I show y'all these. Voila! It's going down. It's going down today. Yes, it is. Y'all see this? I thought I'd bring a little bit more, life to the channel. Along with these farts and these burps. For all you farts and burp lovers. Here, you can have some. I know you. Can y'all see my eyeballs? No facial expression. I'm gonna get a little something else too. No. Wait a minute. Got something else for y'all. I want to tell you. I just wanted to put on these nasty teeth for y'all today. You see a whole ton of things. What if my teeth really look like this? Will I get a lot of people? I want to come and eat with these. Oh, God. My God, teeth got clean out. Oh, well, I'm coming. It's hard to eat with these on. Y'all remember the kids? They used to use these back in the day. I love y'all. I want to bring a little bit more excitement. You know what I'm saying? Something different. Something out of the ordinary. You know who I challenge to this? Rico L. Rico, you gotta follow below and get you some of these teeth and these glasses, and you gonna try to eat with them. And I challenge Tasty Mukbang. Yes, this gonna be a hard challenge and careful keys. Let me see. It's a challenge. I gotta try to eat with these in my mouth. And keep moving. They're moving the bell. I don't understand the goddamn thing. I gotta move them around. Wait a minute. Gotta try to put them on the right way. Y'all know what it is? I sure would hate for my goddamn teeth to really look like this. It changes the way you talk. I'm trying to eat my Gyro. Now look. My teeth, trying to eat my teeth soon. God damn it. Family, I hope y'all enjoy this video. But Rico L, Tasty Mukbang, Careful Keith, you've been challenged to try to eat with these teeth in your mouth. You go to 5 below, get the glasses. They was only, I think, $2. The teeth, $1.50. And you got to eat with them. I'm eating the Gyro here. Let's do this. Yes, it is. I like this here. This brings a little bit more excitement. Family, I just wanted to do something different and funny for you today. Yes, I did. And it's going down. Hope I don't choke. Hope I don't choke on this goddamn Gyro. See, for those of y'all think I put my hands up here, y'all know my big ass can't sit on straight sitting on this floor. I have to have some breakfast. If you look at my other videos, you'll see me sitting back. Here we go right here, listen. I know y'all heard that. I tell you, it's going down. Y'all, it's hard as hell eating with them teeth. And it changes the way you talk. It really do. But I didn't challenge Careful Keith, Rico L, Tasty Mukbang, the Joneses. I challenge y'all to this. I want to see what it is. It's a crazy sight. That's the other people coming in the door.
Oh my God.
This is what's going on. Look at them. How you like it? Is it good?
I like to go see the stuff.
It's a challenge going on here. You got to eat with the teeth and the glasses.
Oh,
Eat one of your fries.
I think.
You can't. That's your own teeth.
Y'all know cream is iron.
Eat one of your fries.
And I'm trying to get him to the test. My goddamn back has a thing right here on this goddamn floor. And y'all talking about goddamn it. God damn it! You done sit on the floor. Yes! Y'all queen was on the floor over there. She going now. They're going out the door. They're leaving. I could not imagine. How do people eat with these dentures in their mouth? I can't understand. Look at here. Trying to even fry. It's getting harder. Ugh. I got to see you do this. This thing right here is off the table. One french fry at a time. It's gonna take me all goddamn night. I ain't gonna be able to do this. Here we go. I'm trying real Y'all see it? I'm gonna try to eat this gyro too. I take out some of them tomatoes. Let me see. This is good. Eat my goddamn tail. Goddamn. Okay. There we go. Okay, so. Just to wait it. Y'all, this is a goddamn challenge. Trying to eat. It ain't happening. It's hard as hell. Woo! Y'all see the stuff I do for y'all? I'm trying to bring a little bit more excitement because I'm tired of that old boring talking and eating, smacking. I wants to bring a little bit more excitement to all of our channel. Woo, Lord. This gyro is good. And my stomach, honestly, is hurting. My back too. Because y'all got to remember, earlier today, I ate White Castle. And now I'm eating gyro. And the sister girl's stomach is twisted up. These tomatoes is good. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Here we go. Oh, I know y'all heard that there. Oh, that was a little poop poop. For y'all who talking about some fart pads and that's my ass pad, okay? There ain't no fart pad. My back is hurting. Hurting a little bit because I guess I'm full of gas. Rico, Tasty Mukbang, Careful Key. If y'all do that challenge, my hats go off to you. I know y'all done challenged me to many things. And I have to live up to it. And I haven't. And I apologize to you. But these nasty teeth right here, y'all got to eat gyro and some fries. I'm just trying to eat, period. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 A little poop there for y'all fart lovers and burp lovers. Mm-hmm. Here we go. It's hard to live like that. I feel sorry for people with teeth like this. Because it's hard to chew. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, here we go. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Look, Crystal, I forgot about you. God damn it, no. Look, Crystal and the family, you've been challenged to this challenge too. Family below is what it is. Go get your nasty teeth and your eyes. Cost you about $3.50. So, look, Crystal, you have been challenged. I have to tag you in it. I almost forgot about you. The birth is off the thing. Got to get my pop, y'all. Mm-hmm. Here come another one. Wait a minute, y'all. It's getting real good. These is real farts. Okay? If you didn't know, it is. Okay? Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Got to try to stick it in there. Look. Wait a minute. Mm-hmm. Go real slow. Even big damn butter. Need some of that goddamn dicker stuff to make it stay still. Mmm. 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 Well, family, I'm going to pull these out and take this off. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video just as much as I did doing it for y'all today. I love y'all. I hope y'all give me some thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what it is. Love Krista, Rico L, Tasty Mukbang, and Careful Keith. You have been called out to go and get these nasty teeth and these glasses. $3.50 is what you're going to pay at Five Below. So I'll be waiting on them videos to come across, okay? I love y'all. Love, love, love. Please subscribe to the Your Faith family. Give me some thumbs up. Comment down below. Share. And make sure y'all hit that notification because y'all don't know what I'm coming with next. Y'all don't know what it is. What it's going to be. But I do know one damn thing. It's going to be off the chain. I love y'all, family. And y'all be safe out there. And I'll be seeing y'all later.